you so much for being here. My name is Valerie. In this video, we are doing the calculations for how much fabric we will need to make a flat sheet for a queen bed, and we're doing it in centimeters. Thanks to Nola Cook 7344. So here goes. I have my little diagram here on the board with my measurements, but I did not write the cm for the centimeters because it takes up quite a bit of space on my little whiteboard here, right? But yeah, we're doing it in all the calculations in centimeters, and if I mess up and say inches, forgive me, because I'm more used to doing inches, so I might mess up a bit here or there. So anyway, let's go. Let's start with the width. Our width for our queen bed is 160 centimeters. Our length is 200 centimeters. Now we'll go on to the drop. The drop, as the word suggests, is from the edge of the top of the bed here towards the floor. How far down do you want your sheet to drop? So you measure that and plug your measurement in. For me, I wanted to drop 46 inches because my bed is relatively high. So I'll put there we go, saying inches, centimeters, 46 centimeters. Now for the length, 46 for the width, 46 for the length also. However, because we have to account for the drop at the foot of the bed and the head of the bed, also for the left side of the bed and the right side of the bed, we have to then multiply these two by 2. So 46 multiplied by 2, that's 2 6 12, 92 centimeters. Times 2 equals 92 centimeters. Now we also have to account for our hem that goes right around the sheet. And a double hem at 10 centimeters is enough for a flat sheet. So that would be 10 plus 10, because remember we're doing width and length now to establish our total or our overall measurements that we'll get to in a bit. And for the length, it would be 10 plus 10. So we need a total of 20 centimeters for the width and 20 centimeters for the length. Now we have all our measurements here. What we're going to do is go over to the overall measurement side, and then we're going to start adding these measurements. So we're doing some long addition here. Let's start with the width. So we'll take the width here, 160 centimeters, plus the width here for the drop, which is 92 centimeters, and I'll add as I go. That's 2, 9, 10, 5, carry the 1, that's 252 centimeters, plus we'll add the width for the hem, which is 20 centimeters. That's 272. So our width, total width, overall width is 272 centimeters. Now let's look at the length. That's 200 centimeters plus 92. That's 292 centimeters. And then we'll go to the length, which is 20 centimeters. That's 312 centimeters. Now, I always suggest that when you're making your sheet, whether it's a flat sheet or a fitted sheet, you go for a double width fabric, because then you won't need to join panels, right? So we are going to do the calculations with a double width, and then we can look at single width to see how you can arrive at how much you need for the single width also. However, it's most desirable to use a double width fabric or sheeting fabric, right, for your sheet. And a double width fabric would be at least around 274 centimeters. Some may be even wider, right? So the 274 centimeter for the width is already taken care of, because our overall measurement is 272 centimeters. We actually have 2 centimeters left. Oh, so now let's take our length to see how many meters of fabric we will need to make our flat sheet. And to find how many meters are in 312 centimeters, you divide by 0.01. And what I usually do is just take 2 decimal places. So start on the outside here, 1, 2. And my point is there. So that's 3.12. 3.12 meters of fabric. Now, I never round down, and I suggest that you never round down when you're buying fabric. Always round up. So instead of 3.12, you can go to 3.2, or you can even go to 3.5 meters of fabric to make your flat sheet. And that is taking in consideration that you are using a double width fabric that is 274 centimeters. If you're not using a double width and you're using a single width fabric, then usually a single width is just about half of what a double width is, right? And so what you can do is take your 3.5 meters and multiply that by 2. So you would then need 7 meters of single width fabric for your flat sheet. And I will link a video for you to show you the best way to join your panels to make your sheets. Now you can use measurements from your double or your single or whatever custom bed you have. Just plug the measurements in and do your calculations, and you will find out how much fabric you need to make your flat sheet. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified of new videos. Also, like, thumbs up, and share. You take care now. I will see you in the next video.